Experiencing Verizon cellular data problems? A common fix is toggling between LTE, 4G, and 5G. If 5G is unreliable in your area, forcing your phone to use LTE can improve connectivity. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Preferred Network Type, and select LTE only. On iOS, navigate to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, and choose LTE. This bypasses potential 5G issues like weak signals or network congestion. Consider toggling if you are experiencing slow speeds or intermittent service. Carrier updates from Verizon optimize your device's connection to the network and often resolve data connectivity issues. These updates include APN settings and network configurations. Typically, these updates are pushed automatically, but you can manually check for them. On Android, go to Settings, System Update. On iOS, navigate to General About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear next to Carrier. Install available updates before further troubleshooting, as outdated settings can cause authentication failures and data disruptions.